Hello, everyone. Today, we are exploring a word you hear almost every day in technology, in social media, in artificial intelligence. That word is algorithm. It sounds modern, it feels technical, yet its story began more than 1,000 years ago, long before computers ever existed. So let us go back in time. When we hear the word algorithm today, we usually think of computers making decisions, recommending videos, sorting search results, guiding navigation apps. But originally, an algorithm had nothing to do with machines. It was about methods, clear step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem logically. And this word comes from a person, a real human being. In the 9th century, in the city of Baghdad, lived a remarkable scholar named Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. He worked at the famous House of Wisdom, a center of learning where scholars translated texts and expanded ideas from many civilizations. Al-Khwarizmi wrote extensively on mathematics, astronomy, and geography. One of his most influential works focused on methods of calculation. These methods followed a strict order. Each step led logically to the next. No guessing, no shortcuts. This structured approach is exactly what we now call an algorithm. Centuries later, his books were translated into Latin, and this is where the word began to change. The name Al-Khwarizmi was written as algorithmi. Gradually, the word stopped referring only to the man. It began to describe the method of calculation itself. The spelling slowly evolved: algorithmi, algorithm, and finally algorithm. So every time we say the word algorithm, we are unknowingly echoing the name of a 9th century mathematician. In its earliest meaning, an algorithm was simply a method for arithmetic: how to add numbers, how to divide, how to calculate efficiently and accurately. There were no screens, no software, only logic, order, and reasoning. As mathematics developed, the meaning expanded. An algorithm came to mean any clearly defined set of steps that leads to a result. Now look at the modern world. Computers do not think, they follow instructions. Those instructions are algorithms. Whether it is organizing your inbox, filtering spam, recommending content, or powering artificial intelligence, at the heart of every digital action lies the same ancient idea: follow a logical sequence, reach a solution. The word is old, its use is modern. So the next time someone says, "the algorithm decided this," pause for a moment. Behind that word is not just code, it is history, it is logic, it is the legacy of a human mind from over 1,000 years ago. That is the power of language, and that is the journey of the word algorithm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning and keep growing.